Good morning, children. Now we are going to see about the second sum, okay, in exercise number 2.6. So what is the sum we are going to see? So fourth sum, second sum. Okay, find the middle term in the expansion of they have given. So already we have seen the first sum. So now we are going to see the second sum. So what is the second sum they have given? The second sum 3x plus x square by 2 the whole power 8. So this is the given equation they have given. Next we are going to solve the sum. So what we have to find out it, they said to find out the independent of the solution they have said to find out it. Now from the given sum we are going to write n is it equal to 8, then x equal to 3x, then a is it equal to x square by 2. Okay, so if n is even, n equal to 8, so n is even number, therefore we have to find the middle term. Okay, we have to find out the middle term they have said. Okay, so where they said to find out the middle term, so to find out the middle term, what is the formula? N by 2 plus 1 is the formula. So this implies 8 by 2 plus 1. So that implies what is the answer? 4 plus 1. So that is equal to T5. Next we are going to see the this T5 is it equal to, we are writing as T4 plus 1. So we are just comparing with the TR plus 1. So what is the R value? R is it equal to, what is the value you are getting? 4. Okay, and also we know the general formula TR plus 1 is it equal to NCR x power n minus r into a power r. So this is the general formula. So from this general formula we are writing as T4 plus 1 is it equal to 8C4. X value is, what is the answer we are getting? 3x, then 8 minus 4, then a value what we are getting? X square by 2, the whole power, what is the r value we are getting there? 4. So 8C4, then 3x the whole power 4. Then again what we are getting? X square the whole power 4 by 2 power 4. Then 8C4, then 3 power 4 into x power 4, then x power 8 by 2 power 4. Lastly, we are getting as 8C4, then 3 power 4 by 2 power 4, then x power 4 plus 8. So already we know the bases are same, means you can add the powers. So lastly what you are getting the answer? 8C4 equal to, what is the answer? 8 12. Then what is the 3 power 4 means? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 by here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 8C4 x power 12, then 81 by 16. Okay, so this is the answer you are getting for what? To find out the middle term for this sum we are getting this answer. Next one, we are going to do the find the term independent of x. Okay, next sum what we are going to do is find the term independent of x. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of. So in the expansion of the first sum, x square minus 2 by 3x the whole power 9. Okay, so this is the sum they have given. So from this sum we are just writing n is it equal to 9, then x equal to x square, then a is it equal to minus 2 by 3x. Okay, so this is the first, we are just comparing, and as usual we are just writing. Next what we are doing, TR plus 1, we are just writing the formula TR per NCR. Then what is the formula, x power n minus r, a power r. So this is the formula we are writing. So next what we are doing, we are just substituting in that one, 9CR. Okay, then x square, then 9 minus, then r we don't know the value, then minus 2 by 3x the whole power r. Next what we have to do, 9CR, then you just multiply it. So x power 18 minus 2r, then minus 2 the whole power r, then by 3x the whole power r. Okay, so that we are getting. Next you have to do it as 9CR, then x power 18 minus 2r, then minus 2 by r, by 3 power r, then x power r. Okay, we are just splitting the terms there. Next step we have to do it as 9CR, then x power 18 minus 2r, then minus 2 the whole power r. If this x power r is go to the denominator, numerator means x power minus r, then what you will be getting, then by 3r you have to put it. Okay, so 9CR, x power 18 minus 2r, then minus 2 the whole power r, then this x power r alone you take it there. So 9CR, then x power 18 minus 3r. Okay, this r will go there. So then minus 2 the whole power r by 3 power r. So that means what I am saying here, x power 18 minus 2r is there into x minus r. Then x power 18 minus 2r minus r. So that implies x minus 18 minus 3r you will be getting. So what is the next step we are going to do? You just take this one as equation 1. Since they have said that term is independent, so the term is independent means we have to compare with equal to 0. So we are going to write, since the term is independent of x, so 18 minus 3r is equal to, what is the answer? 0. 18 equal to 3r. Then 18 by 3 equal to r. Then what is the r value? 6. So r is equal to 6 you are getting. So now what we have to do? We have to substitute that r equal to 6 in where? Equation 1. So substitute r equal to 6 in equation 1. So that implies 9C6 x power 18 minus 3 into 6, then minus 2 the whole power 6 by 3 power 6. So what is the answer? You will be getting 9C6 x power 18 minus 18, then minus 2 power 6 by 3 power 6. So minus 2 power 6 in the sense the minus of whole power even number itself, it will become what? Plus. So next this also x power 18 minus 18 is, what is answer? X power 0. So 18 x power 18 minus 18 is x power 0. So that is equal to 1. So what is the answer? Will be concluding 9C6 2 power 6 by 3 power 6. So this is the term of independent of x. Now we are going to continue with the next sum. So what is the second sum? So next sum we are going to see is 2x square plus 1 by x the whole power 12. Okay, so this is the sum they have given in the third subdivision. So same wise we are going to just write it as n is equal to 12, then x equal to 2x square, then a is equal to 1 by x. Then you just write the general formula, TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r, then a power r. So this is the general formula they have given. So from this general formula we have to do it as you just substitute the what they have given. So 12c, what is the answer? R, then 2x square, then 12 minus r, then 1 minus x the whole power r. So lastly what you will be getting? 12cr, then 2 power 12 minus r, then x square the whole power 12 minus r, then 1 power r by x power r. Then you just what 12cr, then 2 power 12 minus r, okay, then x power 24 minus 2r, then this 1 power r is anyway the value is 1, then you just go to the numerator means minus r. So 12cr, then 2 power 12 minus r, then what you will be getting here? This minus r also will be then x power 24 minus 2r, then minus r. So that implies 12cr, then 12 minus r, then x power 24 minus 3r you will be getting. Next what you have to do from this is equation 1. From 1 the term independent of x. The term independent of x implies 24 minus 3r is equal to, what is the answer you will be getting? 0. So 24 equal to 3r. So 24 by 3 is equal to, what is the answer? R equal to 8, you are getting the answer. Next what you have to do? We have to substitute in the equation 1. So put R is equal to 8 in equation 1. Okay, in equation 1 you just substitute it. After substituting what you have to do? You just put T8 plus 1 is it equal to, what is answer you'll be getting? A 12 into c8, then 2 power 12 minus 8, then x power 24 minus 3 8. So 12 c8, then 2 power 4, then x power 24 minus 24. That implies what is answer you will be getting? 12 c8, then what is answer? 2 power 4, then x power 0. So if the bigger number like this means no need to expand, already you know in the formula, you can reduce it, this one. So you can reduce means what is the formula you will be getting? 12c4, then 2 power 4 you will be getting. Now we are going to just expand this one. So 12c4 in the sense 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 16. So you just this 1 time, this is 4 time, this is 1 time, 3 time, 1 time, this is 5 time. So what you will be getting the answer now? So 12 into 11 into 5 into 3 into 4 you will be getting. So 12 into here what is answer? 55 into 12. So 12 into 12 what is answer? 144 into 55. So 144 into 55 what is answer you will be getting? 7920 you will be getting.